Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shade Boo. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this channel. Thank you for taking a chance on your girl. You was curious, I understand. But thank you, you will not regret it. Thank you very much, I appreciate you, I love you. I see all of my subscribers, I love all of you guys. I am on the road to 300. I'm very excited about that. It's small, but 300 could turn to 300,000 real fast. So that's what I'm manifesting for my channel. But yes, if you are new here, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking on the channel. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so that when I do post, you could pull up and you see what's happening on this side. Everybody else, I love you guys. Day ones, I love y'all. I am so excited about today's video. It's an unboxing. Let me tell you something. When I got this package, I was so excited. I have been talking about this designer for a very long time. I'm going to say at least 3 years. I've been watching, and I'm like, okay. Yes, it is a foreign designer, based out in London. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna know who he is because his bags and his shoes are in Saks. It's in Bloomingdale's. It's all over. Nordstrom, Macy's, and you name the store, and most likely they have it. I'm not gonna find them in Target. I know, my Target girls, we love Target, but you're not going to find them in Target. Anywho, the designer's name is Geiger, and his name has just been paving through all of social media, the streets, all over. There are so many people now who are into Geiger because his designs are just amazing. His brand designs are very, very different. They're very different. They're not like any other designers. And I know some of you girlies love the Chanel's and love the Gucci's and love the Pradas and all of those different things. But you got to get into other designers. Okay, there's a lot out here other than the ones that you know, typically of what's to be popular, I guess. I like things that most people are not going to have. I like to have things that when I do go out, most likely I won't see nobody with it. But Geiger is very popular. And what I can say, if you do see somebody out with a Geiger bag and you have on one too, it most likely probably won't be the same exact bag. But you'll know because he has the eagle. So let's get into it. Yeah, so y'all, listen, I am so overly excited. Okay. Of course, paperwork. So this is how the bag came. In this plastic. And this, I actually ordered this bag directly off of the Geiger website. I'm not sure if the packaging is different if you were to order like Bloomingdale's or something like that. They have boxes. I know he does have boxes because his shoes come in boxes. But yes, I'm so excited. It's nothing like a new bag. She is so beautiful. Okay. So this is her. Look how pretty. Oh. So beautiful. So yes, so this is how you will always know it's a Geiger bag. You see this? Only he does this. That eagle belongs to him. That's a Kirk. I love it. Look. Okay. So, if you girlies are like up to date on like season fashion, which you know some stuff is in season, some stuff is out of season. Right now, what's going on is it's like denim season for like most designers. All top designers, they're all doing denim. Basically, a bag is denim, the shoes is denim, stuff like that. But y'all, I'm not even finished. What? I had to, listen. I love my husband. That's all I want to say. Like, he just knows the way to my heart. Okay, so we got all of the tissue and the taping off. So here's the bag. Okay. So you can have it like this. You can do crossbody. Oh. You can do crossbody. Show y'all inside. All of this tissue and stuff. So this is called the Kensington bag. As you can see, it says it right there. Y'all, I was not fully paying attention, but it does come with a dust bag. And the dust bag says, design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. Kurt Geiger, London. So yeah, that's where she will be going. Kensington. And yeah. I'm in love. So baby, buy yourself something nice. And I will. Okay, hold on. Wait. Because you know your girl can't be. Listen here. You know I had to. I had to do it. 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 Listen. I had to get me a pair of sandals. Okay? I'm going to have a bag and what shoes I'm going to wear with it. Hello, if you know, you know. What are you saying? 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 What do you have to say? Oh, okay. I thought. Tell me these are not beautiful. Listen here. You see this? You see this? Now, ladies, this is what I'm going to tell you, right? When it came to ordering this shoe, I was so indecisive. I was like, oh my God. All because of this right here. I said, Greg, it's not going to fit my foot. My foot is too wide. It's not going to go through. What? Wait for it. Too wide where? Too wide where? Too wide where? Don't mind my ashy feet. Too wide where? Where are they too wide? Where? Where? Okay. They fit just fine. Got my little bag. Okay. Too wide where? Now, you know if your foot is like extremely, if your foot is wider than mine, baby, then you'll have an issue. But I have pretty wide feet. So listen, go get you a pair of sandals from Kurt Geiger. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Denim collection. Listen, your girl is outside. I'm outside. I'm outside. That's all I'm saying. I'm outside. I thought about a bunch of outfits I could wear with this. But listen here. I'm going to do all denim. Whether it's a denim dress, a denim jumpsuit. I'm going to do all denim and I'm going to kill it. I can't wait. Like, I love this. I love this. And when my husband said, buy yourself something nice, It was so many other things I could have bought. I want them in every color now. Every color. So listen, ladies, if you have wide feet and you were thinking about getting some Kensington sandals, get them. They'll fit for you. You just know when you're saying yes to the dress. I said yes to the bag and the shoes. I just had to. I just had to. There was nothing else that was clicking. Now, I popped my Kurt Geiger cherry. I'm no longer a Kurt Geiger version. I love my purchase. I'm very satisfied, 110%. Ladies, wide feet, and they go up to a size 11. This is a 40, which is European 42. So this is a 42, even if you have big feet. It goes up to a size 11. Get you a pair. There's nothing standing in your way. And what I really love for me is that I decided to do my nails today. And it's going with the denim. I love this. I'm going to put the Kurt Geiger link in the description so you guys can go check out the website. See if you see anything that you like. He may be for you. He may not. So to each its own. But listen, I'm going to get me a bathing suit. I'm going to get me beach bag, beach shoe. I'm Kurt Geiger now. Listen, that's my uncle. I am the niece. Listen, I love it. 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 I'm so freaking happy. Thank you for watching. Listen, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay connected to your girl. I have some more goodies coming, some more unboxing. I have some stuff to show you guys. Listen, stay connected. Do what's right. Stay subscribed. Continue to like, continue to comment, continue to hit that notification bell, and do what's right. All right. Catch you in the next video. Say bye, y'all. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.